Alright, so today we're looking at Uvxy, and we have our professional Fibonacci indicator on the screen. We made it very easy to read. As we can see over here, the market turns a little bit bullish at about 9:35. Exiting the trade around 9:51, you'll be in that initial trade for about 10 to 15 minutes. Exiting that trade, just getting straight into a bearish trade and waiting and possibly exiting right over here, re-entering as soon as it goes down, and just holding on to the trade for the rest of the day would have been ideal. A lot of people, this area over here would have been the best place to get out. As we can see over here, the price is hitting certain support and resistance levels and it's going back and forth. Ultimately it closes out at the lowest point of the day. So if you held onto this trade for the entire day and you entered into a sell at about 9:54, you would have been profitable. The price dropped from approximately 14.25 to 13.68. Now that doesn't sound like a lot, but in large amounts it is. If you're trading options, it is. So keep in mind that you could have also exited the trade over here around 11 o'clock or around 11:32. As you can see, it just bounces off this level again and then it goes up, but not a lot of people did. So that was the low of the day. So this is Uvxy. We're looking at the stock chart for June 27th, 2022. Keep in mind that this is just an experimental indicator that we're trading with. We usually stick to the original one that I have up and that's visible in a lot of the other videos. So once again, if you have any questions, head over to our website, send us a message, send us an email, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you have no idea where to start, send us a message and we'll do our best to help you out with this.